Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here I am with a new video. I am collecting stuff for this haul since a month or two now. It's a huge haul of a lot of makeup and accessories and clothes that I bought. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and also follow me on Instagram if you want to connect with me. So it's anyway going to be a long video, so before wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. So let's begin, and I'm going to start off by showing the outfits and the accessories and then move towards makeup, because obviously makeup is the more exciting part and I want to leave that to the last. So the first box I'm going to open here is from Zara, and it's this dress which is tangled, but it's this velvet dress. And I had worn this exact same dress in another color on my birthday and I liked it so much, and so I bought the other color as well. I am in the size extra small and I got this one for 2000 rupees, which is an amazing price for such a pretty dress. It's a plunging neckline dress and it hugs the waist so perfect and it fits really nicely, so I love this dress. And the other items that I bought from Zara, I generally purchase online or in stores, whatever is convenient. It's a very basic dress. It's a chocolate brown kind of a shade and it has these gathers and ruching detail all till the bottom. I'm a size small in this dress. This one I got for 1600, like 1590 if I'm not wrong. Then the next item I bought is this bodysuit. It's a very pretty mauvey lavender kind of a color. I love having basics in my collection because you can style it with anything and everything. And I have this exact same in olive green color. And if I like something, I get almost all the colors in that. That is my problem. But I love pieces like this because they are so versatile and the material is so smooth. It flatters your body so well. So this is another one, and this one was for 1290. The other item that I bought from Zara is this white colored cami top. It's a very basic plain white top. And talking about getting all the colors, I bought this top as well. They both are same. It's just this one is a dark brown color and this one was for 790, so it's a really good price. I am still in my fall zone right now, and so I bought this furry kind of a top. I love the color. It's like a really dark maroon vampy color. This one was for 1290. The other thing that I bought is this red colored silk gown. It's a midi dress. It's a very deep plunging neckline with the similar kind of detail on the waist area. And I love wearing satin dresses because they are so chic and they look so girly and cute. I especially bought this one for Christmas because it's red and it's the perfect red Christmas dress. That's it from Zara. The next store is H&M, and I bought a couple of stuff from H&M. I bought this basic grey dress which has these white and pink stripes on the sides, and this one is also a very body hugging dress, but it flatters my body a lot. This one was for 1500 if I'm not wrong. The next thing that I bought from H&M is this corset top. It is such a pretty top. It's a rose gold colored satin material top and it is quite stretchable, so it's not a very tight corset. And this one was for 1299, so this one was for 1300. And the next item that I bought from H&M is this basic top. It's a basic white top with this beautiful lavender flowers on it. That's it for the clothes. And then I went to Aldo and I bought a couple of accessories from there. And the first thing I bought is this little card holder wallet thing. I have really small bags and then my wallet does not fit in them and I don't want to just throw in my cash, so I bought this, and this one was for 2000 bucks. Next thing I bought is this necklace from Aldo. I love accessories, I love dainty jewelry, and this one matched one of the purses I have, and I really like to keep my outfits aligned, so I thought it will go really nice with that purse, and so I bought it. This one was for 1500 and it has these really pretty tassels. It has a lipstick, it has hearts, it is very cute. And the next thing I bought is this set of earrings. It has 3 earrings. I am wearing one. It's a little hoop earring and it is so cute for like an everyday wear, but you still want to like style up your outfit but not go with those traditional big hoops. It had one basic gold hoop, one fancy one, and then the third one was this tiger print little hoop. And moving towards the more exciting part, makeup. Like, I am always excited to buy makeup, and if y'all are wondering, I have made a video on this makeup look and this is a one brand tutorial, so that's more exciting. So I will link that down below so you can check it out if you want it. I bought this Maybelline Tattoo Brow. Since it launched, I really wanted to try it out and see if it actually works. So I got my hands on this, and this one was for 625 rupees. The next thing that I was really excited to try is this Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I bought the shade 12G Sugar Biscuit, and G identifies golden and I am a yellow golden undertone, so I bought the shade. And it was a little difficult to choose the shade because they have a lot of shades, so I just took my chance and bought this shade. And the formula is also great. It is super full coverage, so I will definitely try it out in my next few videos. And this concealer is priced at 2520. Let me tell you, a little of this concealer goes a long way, and it is a super full coverage concealer. Next up, I got these bunch of masks from Tolly Molly. I love sheet masks and I love masking in general. The Tolly Molly sheet masks, the big Tolly Molly sheet masks, because I heard they are really great. And I bought 2 of the clear skin sheet masks. These are the Rise ones. Then I bought 2 of the Pore Care, and this one is the red wine sheet mask. And then I bought a bunch of these lip masks because I have super chapped lips and I am on the hunt for good lip masks, and these were for 150 each, and these individual sheet masks were for 100 rupees each. Then next I bought a few of Anastasia products. I bought it from Sephora. I really wanted to try out the contour kit. It is not a very new product, but I wanted to try it out, and so I bought the shade light to medium. This one was for 4,500. This has 6 shades, 3 contour and 3 highlight shades. It has 1 normal highlighter and 1 banana powder and 1 peachy toned setting powder, and it has 2 bronzers and 1 cool toned contour, and they are super pigmented and it blends really nicely. This is one of my favorite shades from this palette. This is a banana shade, which is for setting your under eye. Then is this cool toned brown shade, which is great for contouring. The next thing that I bought from Anastasia is this stick foundation. This one was for 2850, and this is again not a new launch, and I bought the shade Cool Beige. Again, choosing a shade online is a task. I have a lot of foundations which are just too yellow and dark for me now. I wanted something that I can mix in and get like a more neutral, lighter shade, so I bought this one. The next thing I bought is from My Glam. I haven't really used that much My Glam products in the past, and when I saw the launch of these lipsticks, I really liked it and I wanted to give a try. It is priced at 395, so it is not a bad price. And I bought the shades. I bought 2 I bought the shade FBO and the other shade, which is called Love Bomb. I got this Smashbox Photo Finish setting spray. I was on the hunt for a good setting spray because I have been using the pack one since ages now, and I wanted to switch it up. I have tried this a couple of times and I can say that it definitely does what it says. And this one was for 1990, and Nykaa always gives you free samples with almost all products. And I got this Vitamin Glow primer from Smashbox. It's a little travel size sample. I was so excited to try on new Becca products, so I got the little version of the highlighter and I bought it in the shade Moonstone. This one was for 1500 bucks, just a little lighter than Champagne Pop. And the next thing that I bought from Becca is this First Light priming filter, and it's an instant complexion refresh primer. This is again a travel size. Generally for high-end products, I like to get the travel size and try it out, and if I like them, only then I invest in the proper big sizes. So for the last box now, it's a pretty heavy box. It has a lot of random skincare and makeup that I bought. First thing I bought is this Age Rewind concealer, and I just bought it for backup. This one is for $6.20, but I'm pretty sure I got it on sale. Next thing I bought is this Go For Glow peel off mask. This is the Age Rewind mask. Then I bought this Mamaearth Cocoa face scrub, and I wanted a good exfoliating face wash, and coffee is really good to remove tan and just dead skin. The other thing that I bought from Mamaearth is this Uptan body scrub. And again, for tan removal, I do have some tan on my body that I want to get rid of. I thought I should try this one out, and this is priced at $4.99. The next thing that I bought is this Master Prime from Maybelline. It's a mattifying primer. This is again a backup. This one was for 650 rupees. And the next thing is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. The other thing that I bought is this coffee hand cream, and I love having little hand creams in my bags. And that's it for the entire haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And if you want to connect with me, follow me on Instagram, and all the product links are in the description down below. And also let me know what videos you all want to see next. So until next time.